Hello, this is Chandan Sao. In this video, we are going to see the demo of SQL Planner on a mobile devices. So this is how it is going to look like in mobile version. This is a 5-inch screen of my mobile, and you can see how responsive and uh, adjustment of these graphs on mobile screen is getting fit, and it's really cool. So what SQL Planner is and what are the features and the functionality that supports it, I would recommend you to go through the our desktop mode of videos, and you can visit to our website that is called www.mssqlplanner.com, in which wherein you can see all the features that it supports. Currently, in a summary, that you can understand that it's a monitoring, backup, index defragmentation, and scripting tool, which we will see that how it works in mobile version. So let's go for looking at these graphs, and let's go to perform, and we have several of them, which is approximately 15 in number, and you can see all of them in a pretty cool manner here. And we can also go through IO tab, in which we can see which most expensive database which has highest IO amount, and by the database file wise and logical file wise. We can also go through the review on storage wise, wherein we can see that uh, which database is highest occupied storage and what is the current disk space available versus filled one, and trend of it. Similarly, we can see the heartbeat of SQL Server and log error messages in mobile version. The other recommendation of missing indexes and top expensive and expensive queries and all. So we have everything available here on the mobile also. So even if you are going away anywhere outside, you can perform all these activity using mobile or tablet also. So this screen is about SQL Server defragmentation thing, and you can analyze and quickly you can defragment it, and you can choose it. So this is in vertical mode. If I flip to horizontal view, uh, this will give a better fitting on the screen size, and you can perform defrag. You can click on defrag now, and it will perform its action. So now let us go to method how we came to these steps, to give you a fair idea that how it works on the mobile. So once you log into your SQL Planner, it will you will have to specify the way how you specify in desktop mode, and provide the credential of your SQL Server, and the password is my password of this credential, I mean server, and there you go. You just simply choose which are the database that you would like to defrag, and I'll just select two of them, and I can also specify the index size should be at least 1 MB, and I'll just fragment percentage of fragmentation also you can define at least 1 MB, and click on show fragmentation report, and there you go. You get to see all these options, which are the least and highest fragmented index of a specific table, and what action you would like to take, rebuild or reorganize, and fill factor, let's say keep it to 90, and click on defragment now. So the moment when you click, okay, I have not even selected at least one or more, so let me choose these two, which are approximately 18 and 16, and I'll just click on defragment now. So within a less than a second, it has defragmented, and that has less than 0%, less than 1% fragmentation, and it is not being listed here because we have filter criteria, and this is how it works. Let's say now you are interested into server report. You simply click on that and you choose your server on which you want to analyze the health, and click on show report. That's it. And soon after a few seconds, once it gets request served from IIS server, it will show you all the report here, the way how we saw in the beginning. And by default, to have a proper screen adjustment as per your mobile or tablet, you have to toggle or switch on or switch off the toggling of this desktop site mode, and then whichever the screen size fits on your device, you stick to that. So in my case, if it is a mobile, desktop version will be better. Otherwise, if it is your tablet version, by default it will be good in screen size. So that's how it works on your mobile devices, and you can perform all these activities even if you are roaming or if you are away from your computer. You don't need SSMS to do all these actions from a laptop or operating based system. You can do it from even your Android or iOS based devices also. So with this, I have completed a demo of SQL Planner on mobile devices. Have a great day. Thank you so much.